Hello friends, here I am back with another video, and today we will discuss about set theory and some operations on set. So let's start it. We can define a set using the set function inbuilt in our Python libraries. So here I am creating a set S1 with function set, and I am passing a string here Python, and I will print the set S1. Let's run it and see, and here we have get our set from string. We can also create our set with tuples, and here I am passing a tuple inside our set function, and then I am printing it, and here we got our second set, that is S2, and we can also create set set S3 from list. In that we need to pass list to our set, and again I am printing my third string, and let's see. As a sequence of numbers starting from 0 to a default value and increments by 1 and stops before a specific number we mention in it. So let's create a set, and then we will pass a range of let's see 60, and then I am printing my fourth set, and let's see, and here is my fourth set, but as you can see 60 is not included, and that is because of range function, as it begins with 0 and ends with a number before the number we mentioned here. And we can also create set with dictionary, that is with curly braces, and here I have created a set with 5 elements. Oh sorry, I forgot to print. And here is my, and now we will see how can we create an empty set. Empty set can be created with passing no argument in our set function. And now let's print our set S1, and here we can see the set function with no arguments. Or what if I create a set with multiple functions and then print it? As we can see, there is no duplicate value in our set, as set does not repeat any value. Now we can see the addition and removal of elements from set. We can add by add function, and here I am going to add 6, and see, we have got 6 added in our set S1. What if I want to add multiple values, and for adding multiple values I need to use the update method, that is the update function, and here I will pass the list of numbers so that they can be added in my set. As here I am adding the same value that is already existing in the set, so there is no change. And now I'm removing the duplicate values and adding the new values to my set. Here we can see we have added 6, 7, 8 in our set. And for the removal of elements from our set, we have two functions. First one is remove, and here I am removing 5. Here we can see the 5 is removed from the array, and I can also remove the element from duplicate. Sorry, discard function. Here the output is same, but when we try to remove an element which does not exist in our set, then remove function shows an error. We can see here I am trying to remove the 6 which does not exist in my set. So we can see it shows an key error, but when we use the discard function, it prints the set with no value removed, but not any error. Now we will perform some basic operations on our set, that is intersection, difference and union. So for that I have created 3 sets, that is S1 with element 1, 2 and 3, S2 with elements 2, 3 and 4, S3 with elements 3, 4 and 5. And for intersection I am creating another set, that is S4, and now we will see the intersection between the S1 and S2. And we know the meaning of intersection, that is the element that exists in both the sets. So now I am printing the fourth set, that is S4, and let's see the results. And that is S2 that is 2 and 3, and we can also pass multiple sets as an argument here. So now we will see the intersection between three of three of the sets, and that is the 3. Here the 3 element exist in the 3 of the sets. And now we will go for the difference method. And now here I am choosing the difference method or difference function to find the difference of S1 from S2. And here we can see the S1 is the difference between S2 and S1. And what if I change the values? Change the set. Now we will see the difference of S2 from S1 and we will get the result as 4. As I earlier said, we can pass multiple sets as an argument. So here I am passing the S1 and S3. Now we will see it is a null set because the element 2 and 3 exist in S2 and the element 3 and 4 exist in element S3. So from subtracting S3 and S1, the S2 is left with no elements. And here we can use another function, that is symmetric difference, that will show the difference between both the sets. S1 and S2. Here I have done a small mistake. Now let's see the results, and that is 1 and 4. We can also find the symmetric difference between the sets, that is S3 and S1. And here we can see the difference 1, 2, 4 and 5. Now here I am taking in another set, a list. List 1 with elements 1, 2, 3, again 1, 2, 3, and now we are using another list, that is L2, that is equals to list and then set L1. Now here I am printing L1. Let's guess the result, what we can get as a result. As here we can see the L1 having duplicate values and we are passing it inside a list and inside a set, and set function will remove the duplicate values from the list and again we are casting it to a list with using list keyword here. So see, and again I have done a mistake, and here we can see the 1, 2 and 3 list With this function, we can easily remove the duplicate values. Now, I am taking another example. Now, we have three lists, one of employees from which some are gym members and some are developers. Now, if we need to see which employee have both gym membership and developers, for that we can use the intersection function here. So here I have gym members dot intersection developer. Now we will print our result. Let's see. Arpit. Arpit is a gym member, and Arpit is also a developer. Now, if we need to find the employee who is neither gym member or developer, for that we will use the difference function, and here I am changing it with difference function. Now we will see the difference of such employee from developers and gym members to see who are neither gym member nor developer. Jagan, Jeenat, Arpit. Now we will test for membership, that is, to check for a member of a given set. And for this we will require the if condition. If John in remember, and if the condition becomes true, then it will print found, else it will print not found. So let's see what happens. And here it is founded. And if I am finding here Janvi, then she results not found. As Janvi is not an element of gym member. It is an element of employee and developers. If I will use in developer, Janvi is found. Thanks for watching.